government has released the Gazette following the report of the Judicial Commission of Inquiry on Lands and Related Matters in Imo State, headed by Honorable Justice Florence Duro Haigwe and team. The report of that Judicial Commission of Inquiry has been adopted, debated, and passed by the State Executive Council of Imo State Government. And that Gazette has been released to the public. And in keeping with the terms of that Gazette, we are at the premises now called Royal Spring Palm Apartments. The panel had recommended that these structures be demolished following the recovery by Imo State Government and following the acceptance of the report of the Commission. The government has today, the 19th day of February 2021, taken possession of these premises and sealed it against all encroachment, trespass, or user by any member of the public at any person's instance. From today, this premises is out of bounds to anybody or any authority except persons acting on behalf of Imo State Government.
And nobody can thwart this decision. Come. Hey. Don't come. No. Heel up. Bring it up. Give it on your